Okay, so today I am with, hello, Baz. How do you do? How you doing? How you doing?
Very well.
In honor of back to school and all the back to school hairstyles and the quick and easy, nice hairstyles that you can do on the go. Oh, there's a cricket in here. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Anyway, he is going to be doing my hair and seeing how easy back to school hairstyles, quick easy hairstyles actually are. Because you haven't done hair at all, have you, Manashiru?
Nope.
Yeah. So, let's begin. So I am going to be going on my phone and searching for maybe like a quick and easy hairstyle or something that he can do, and he's gonna have a look at it and see if he can recreate it. Okay, so I have a container of many different things: bobby pins, hairbands, bigger bobby pins, a hair scrunchie, a bun maker, and little tiny rubber bands, which you're probably not going to use because you're going to mess my hair up. So you have these three sections. But for the first hairstyle is a loose braid at the back. So we shall see how you do. Let's begin!
I'll take 2 strands, guess from there. Would that look right? Oh, okay. Oh, fuck it. I'll try it.
Okay, Baz, tell me about yourself. People don't really know much about yourself. What's good in the world of Baz?
Hold on. I think I f***ed it up.
Resolve
Sure,
it.
it's hard.
You can do whatever you want to do. It's up to you. What is your favorite food, Baz? Tell me about yourself.
I don't know. Food doesn't. Guess rice?
Just rice. My name is
rice
Baz and I like rice. This is hairstyle.
Yeah, that's perfect.
1.
I think I did a very good job.
Wow, I can't even see it. We should have put mirror
It's pretty
down.
good. Yeah.
Wow.
Take all the hair, put it on the. Oh, what the hell? Oh.
That's so cold.
Cold hands, warm heart.
Okay.
God, how do you do this?
You
I think
know,
I got it.
I'm gonna help you out. You know how like little hairs will definitely stay here because it's too short? You can clip it up once you're done with the little pins.
Right, go. And just this, like, damn. You know, hairdressing is not that easy.
I thought you said you're a
Shit.
professional.
Yes, I am. Oh, god damn. Oh, there you, oh, that's how you do it. And then you, oh, okay.
Yeah.
You see, I am a professional. It's not tight enough.
I'm gonna look like Nola.
There's a, oh yeah. Okay. And do, alright. Let's go do this. Let's do it. Is there a timer for this? Because she said that this is supposed to be very quick.
Yeah, it's meant to be very quick.
Oh.
Well, there's no timer, but say if we're like running late for school, college, university.
Yeah, but what you call late? Like black people late or like normal late?
Normal late.
Faded. Done. You know, this is a bit of a rocker kind of style. Right?
Oh wow, the side.
Gives it a bit of volume, right? Look at this. You should see like from behind it looks great. You okay? Like super occasion right now. Oh damn. I tried. I'm not joking, I actually tried. I refuse to see okay, no, I refuse. I can do better. Well, excuse me. Are you gonna censor those out?
I can if you want,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, please. Yes, please. It's hard to get it on top here. Like gravity works.
No, no way. I'm looking at her, looking at me.
Sorry, I'm just. Oh god. Oh, actually, you know what? I'll give you my spin. Sure.
You've parted it so well. It's
Really?
yeah.
That's what I do. I'm a professional. Did I not tell you that already? Wait, really? So what I'm doing here, I'm giving you two versions of the initial design to give you a little more je ne sais quoi.
Oh, tell me more.
It looks a lot better. Now, oh damn, what did I do? This is a double
whammy.
Yes, there you go. You got it.
Damn.
Oh, Mohican slash
Mohican.
Barbie girl slash
Barbie girl.
horse.
No.
Should I try to do like a freestyle, like hairstyle?
Yeah.
Freestyle hairstyle?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Freestyle?
Yeah.
Freestyle it?
Yeah.
Well, actually, you tell me. What kind of look are you going for? What do you
What
want
kind of
to
look
get
I'm
out of
going
here?
for? I'm looking for something very simple, something very nice, something very chic, something very glamorous, but something also very sweet, all that stuff. Go.
Simple and glamorous at the same time. Alright, I'm a professional. You're lucky. Today you found me. Alright. Gonna be fresh. It's gonna be on
Get
point.
your angles right.
Yeah, it's gonna be on point. Oh damn, this is great. You need to like blur all this. Like boo, doo, 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 doo. Yeah, and please don't kick that in.
You're right, I'm getting hungry.
Gonna get some spice noodles, a lot of water.
If you're wondering what that sound is, that's my dog snoring. She's just right next door.
Oh my god, what am I doing? I gave up. No, you never give up. You just
Talk
restart.
to yourself.
I will not be defeated by your hair. Yeah, I'm trying to get the lines, you know? Shape you up. Oh wait. Maybe I found a way to cheat. I think I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Cool.
I'm hungry.
Alright, I will feed you soon. I am done. You have simple, something stylish, and glamorous. I'm a pioneer in my field.
For the record, he was using this to part my hair.
Yes, that's a new instrument that I'm gonna start to sell in my field.
Geometric line.
Yes, because it really gives it the perfection that everyone needs in their life.
I'm going to end this video now, mainly because this guy took way too long. We are both very hungry. So, oh, your hands are cold.
Yeah.
Anyways, oh, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Arrivederci, ci vediamo dopo, domani,
Ciao.
a dopo.